Lovely, doing exactly what teacher asked. Fantastic. Then what did you do? What did you do then? Omar, what did you do?
I've done 10 times 60.
Yeah.
600.
Fantastic, because 10 times 6 is 60, but don't forget the 0, 600. Lovely. Okay. It's much easier in your books with the squares. What did you do next, Abdu?
I've done 10 times 60 is 600.
Got that bit?
And then
Just watching, Jay. You okay there? Yeah.
And then 6 times 3 is 30.
Okay, hang on. I'm on the 10s. I've done 10 times 60. Now can you do 10 times is
30.
lovely. Got you. Okay. I'm up to there. Everyone got that?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Let's have a look.
Should we tip it?
10 times 60, yeah, and you've got the 30, lovely. Make sure we line up those digits. Yeah, that's fine. Fine so far. Then we've got
630. I mean 6 times 60.
yeah, let's do that bit first. Okay. I don't like 6 times 60, so I do. Yeah. Fantastic. Excellent. Tick it if you've got that. And what do you do next, Harris?
6 times 40 equals 80.
Lovely. Make sure you line up those digits.
And then you add the 630 is 600. 630 is 630.
Lovely.
120 add 18 is 138.
Hang on. 360. Okay. This one here was 6 times 60, this bit. So check that bit again. It's that times that, and it's that times that, which goes there. Okay?
It's 1008.
It's a bit tricky, this one. So what was it? 378. I've run out of room on my board. Is there a spare one? So you added it up. 630 add 378. Okay. So 0 add 8 is?
8.
Fantastic. 3 add 7?
10.
Put down the,
0.
carry the, fantastic. 6 and 3 is?
9. Add the 1 is 10.
10. So your answer's 1008. Okay, I think you're fine.
Can we do another one?
No, I think, yeah, you can do one more on your whiteboards actually. Let's do,
53.
give 53 times 19 you want to go for. Okay, 53 times 19. Let me just stop everybody else for a second. Oh, there's about 3 people in this class. Thank you. Okay, what's the key teaching point? Off you go. Oh, only about 5 people know. What's the key teaching point?
Line up your digits.
Okay, I'm coming around to see on tables. Have you lined up your digits? Carpet group, need to see you lining up your digits, okay? Check that bit, Harris. Right, who haven't I seen? Where's my pen? Not sure how much work we're getting done here. 3 times 9, let's go. Excellent, this table. Albanot and Hussein, fantastic. Let's have a look. What have we got? Okay, 24. What are we timesing it by? 14 times 2. So I need the 2 here, so I know I'm timesing by 2. Okay. This little sheet shows you how to set it out. This is how we do it. We have the 1-digit number here and the 2-digit number here, okay? But that's fine. Well, that's why I gave you the sheet. You've done it fine, but you haven't set it out. Teacher talking. You've done it fine, but you haven't set it out the way that I said. But you've still understood it, so that is fine, okay?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Do you want to set it out the way I showed you?
I can't do it that way.
But no, you need to do it this way. It's not confusing.
It's complicated.
Not happy with that table? Albanot and Hussein, absolutely fantastic. Keep up the good work, boys. No, we've devised this way especially to make it easier for children. Okay, multiplication sign goes here. Which one are we doing? Let's have a look. Let's do number 4. Now write the sum so I know what I'm doing. 13 times 4. What goes here? There you go, easy peasy. What goes down here? And there you go. Okay, so now I need to do 4 times 10 is
14.
excellent, easy peasy. And 4 times 3, see if you can do that. No, 4 times 3. We have got the tables in the back of the book, remember? 4 times table. 4 times 3 is 12. Now you've got to add it all up, haven't you? See if you can do that. See if you can do that.
Is this correct?
Yep. 2 times 8 is not 18. Check again. Okay. Oh, carpet group. Lovely. Okay. Whiteboard pen. Here it is. Right. Can you put your pens down for a second? Can you look at your work? Let's see who's doing what teacher asks. Pens down. Lovely. Carpet group, you can look as well. Right, have a look. Have you lined up your digits? I don't need voices. Just have a look at your work. Have you lined up your digits? Have you got the units, Albinot? You're not writing. Have a look at your work. Have you got the units in one column? Have a look. The tens in another column. Lined up. Are you looking? Okay. Have you used the trick of the zeros to help you with your multiplication? Okay. And are you able to partition? So have you partitioned the numbers? Have a look at your work. Okay. People with books, smiley face, straight face or sad face, how are you feeling? Greens on your whiteboards, let me see. I think I know how you're feeling. So tomorrow, greens, you're independent. Fabulous. And date and learning objective, please. Greens, can you help me tidy the carpet? Greens, tidy the carpet. Lovely. Date and learning objective, please. Looking for ready, Rose. Short date. Lovely. Greens, back in your space. Thank you. Tidy books, tidy tables. Shh, 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 shh. Excellent. Ahmed might be able to give points. Let's have a look. Greens. Very nice. Thank you, Harris. Fabulous. Date and learning objective. Just leave it there, lovely girl. Come and sit down. Okay, Charbel, you do points. Let's do 1,000. Let's do times tables while we're waiting for everybody. Stand to the side. Quick, date and learning objective, then come and sit down.
You put this in your book?
No, just leave that on the table. That's just the sheet to show you how to do it. Excellent, Jamie Lee, following instructions. Let's do easy peasy. 9 times 9. Oh, horrible calling out. What row are you?
Green.
Green. 1,000 points for green. 4 times 8. Fantastic. What row are you? Purple. Lovely. Just waiting. Let's do 6 times 7. 6 times 7. 42. Fantastic. Yes. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Which row?
Oh, you're not in a row. We'll just put Rio, and you'll donate your points in a minute. Last 2 people going to count to 3. If you're not here, don't want you. You do one, Charbel. Times tables, you choose.
Abdu. 9 times 9.
81.
Fantastic. What row are you? Brilliant. 1,000 points. Thank you, Charbel. Lovely. Very nice. Okay. Reds, how are we feeling about that? Face the big board for me. Thumbs up, middle, or thumbs down? How are we feeling? Okay, well, that's okay. I haven't got any thumbs down, so that's fine. We'll work on that. Yellows, how are we feeling? Thumbs up, middle, thumbs down. That's fine. Greens, how are we feeling? Fabulous. So greens, tomorrow, hands down. No help from Miss. To our tables, off we go. Okay, let's have a look. Where's it gone? There it is. Okay. What have you learnt this lesson that you didn't know before? Okay. How can you prove that you've learnt something? Oh, and I can't see it. And how would you use this in another subject or somewhere else? Okay. So what have you learnt? How do you know? and how might you use it in another subject or somewhere else, okay? 3 things to Chatterbox. What have you learned? How do you know? Chat. Okay, oh, I like the sound of that language. What have we got over here?
I've learned that way it's easier.
No, it's fine.
I've learned that way it's easier because I always struggle with my timetable, but that helps.
Okay, it's easy, isn't it? Partitioning it makes it easy. If you've got a big number and lining up the digits, fantastic. How can you prove you know how to do this, Ryan? What? Fantastic, brilliant. When might you use this another time? Not in maths, say. When might you use the grid method? When might you be multiplying? Not in maths.
Because sometimes
Times tables is yeah?
you do a job and it's like you send letters for the bills and stuff, so you might have to add up to make sure it's right.
Okay, not adding, we're multiplying. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, fantastic, brilliant. Okay. Fantastic. Okay. What have we learnt this lesson? What have we learnt? What can we do now? Abdu.
I learned the trick of the zero. It's like when you're timing by 30 or like by 10, you can just take the 30 of the zero of the 30, and you can times 3 times 10, and you can make it 300.
Fantastic. That's brilliant. So it's a really good thing to help you in your multiplication. Okay. How can you prove that you know what you're doing? Yeah. How can you prove to me? How do I know that you understand this learning, Ryan?
Because you might have not been able to do it before, and now you can show them that you can do it by doing this learning.
Fantastic. Okay, and your chatterboxing as well is a really good way of proving you know what you're doing. And when might you use this, not in maths, in another lesson? When do you think you might be multiplying or using grid method, not in maths? What do you think? What do you think, Kyra?
Out of school, like at the shops or something like that.
Yeah, you might have to multiply, yeah?
And also you might use it for like history or science, because you might use like days or years, long time ago.
Yeah, fantastic. So maths does creep into other subjects. We will leave it there. Fantastic. Okay. The lesson, I think, went okay. I mean, it's a new topic, grid method. They have done it before. They do it in year 4, so they are familiar with it, but it's like jogging their memories. If you think last half term we were doing addition and subtraction, this half term we're doing multiplication and division, so it's a matter of jogging their memories, getting them back into the habit of something that they know how to do. Times tables is an issue. They have to use times tables knowledge. Lots of kids don't know the times tables, so they can fall down in the grid method. It's got lots of steps, so sometimes remembering all the steps and remembering, you know, how to line up the digits, that sort of stuff. So it's kind of a complicated lesson, but it is something they've done before. They were quite good. I think they did well. It's been a rainy day. Rainy days are always hard on kids, and so I think they did quite well. Behaviour could have been better, but they were okay. The next lesson after this, tomorrow, Green Group, the group I had on the carpet, they'll be independent. They'll be doing what we did today independently without me. I'll probably work with Yellows just to check that they know, understand what they're doing. So today we were sort of concentrating on a 1-digit number times a 2-digit number. We'll consolidate that tomorrow, and then if time, everybody else would do a 2-digit number times a 2-digit number, and going over multiplication tables, because that's the cornerstone of this sort of type of maths, of this operation, this method.